Hey everyone, welcome back. In previous video, we have written first Selenium test case using TestNG Framework. In this video, you will learn the TestNG assertions which are used to validate whether application is working as expected or not. So let's move to the agenda of this video. First, I will take you through what is assertion and its types. At last, we will see how to implement the assertion with the help of simple demos. So let's go ahead and start the video with the introduction to assertion. Assertion determines the state of application, whether it is same what we are expecting or not. If the assertion fails, then test case is failed and stops the execution. In one of the previous video, we have written a Selenium script to log into Orange HRM application. We have written a code to launch the Google Chrome browser, open the login page, enter username and password and click on the login button. Once Selenium clicks on the login button, then it should validate whether home page is displayed or not. Hence, we need to write the assertions to check whether user is successfully logged in or not, or whether the home page is displayed or not. At runtime, if these assertions are passed, then the test case will be passed, otherwise it will be failed. I hope now you understand the purpose of assertion. Now let's see more details about it. Assertions are also known as checkpoint to verify whether application is working as expected or not. While creating the assertion, you have to specify actual and expected values. TestNG compares both the values. If they both are same, then assertion is passed, otherwise it is failed. So you can create the multiple assertions in one test case. Now let's move to the next point. If all assertions are passed, then test case is marked as passed. If any one of the assertion is failed, then test case is marked fail, and TestNG report shows the difference between actual and expected values to understand the issue. As we discussed in the TestNG introduction video, that TestNG provides inbuilt method for assertion. So let's move to the next slide and see the commonly used assertion methods. Assert equals is a method used to compare actual and expected results. If both the actual and expected results are same, then assertion pass and the test case is marked as passed. If both actual and expected results are not same, then assertion fails and test case is marked as failed. So here you have to specify two values, where first one is actual result and second one is the expected result. Now let's move to the next method. Next method is assert not equals. It is opposite to the assert equals method. Assert not equals method is used to compare the actual and expected results. If both the actual and expected results are not same, then assertion pass and the test case is marked as passed. If both actual and expected results are same, then assertion fails and test case is marked as failed. While using the assert not equals method, you have to specify two values, where first one is the actual result and second one is the expected result. Now let's move to the next method, which is assert true. In case of the assert true, you have to specify one condition which must return Boolean value. If Boolean value is true, then assertion is passed and test case is marked as passed. And if the Boolean value is false, then assertion fails and test case is marked as failed. Now let's move to the next method, which is assert false. Assert false is opposite to the assert true method. In case of the assert false, you have to specify one condition which must return a Boolean value. If the Boolean value is false, then assertion pass and test case is passed. And if the Boolean value is true, then assertion fails and test case is marked failed. So these are very commonly used assertion of TestNG framework. Now let's meet in the next video and have the practical demonstration for each of these assert methods.